Hello everyone, I am Dr. A. Nagalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Coimbatore. I am happy to make an explanation about entities involved in mutual fund and fund houses in India in the course Mutual Fund Management. Let us go into the content. So as we know what is meant by mutual fund. Now we are going to see the entities involved in mutual fund. So entities means the mutual fund involves multiple entities working together to manage and to distribute funds. So here some persons who are there inside the mutual fund in order to operate the mutual funds. Who are those entities? Sponsor is one of the entity. Who is said to be a sponsor? A sponsor is an entity or individual that establishes a mutual fund. So the person who establishes a mutual fund company is said to be a sponsor. They initiate the formation of the trust. So mutual fund is a trust based in company. So here the sponsor formulates trust and appoint AMC, that is Asset Management Company. Sponsors are typically reputed organizations like banks, financial institutions or corporations. See, as we know, SBI Mutual Fund in 1983 is a public sector mutual fund in India. So here SBI Bank is the sponsor who introduces SBI Mutual Fund. So what is the role set of mutual fund trust? Contributes initial capital. At least 40% of the AMC's net worth in India should be contributed by the sponsor. Ensures compliance with SEBI regulations. So the mutual fund company is to be formed as per the regulations of SEBI guidelines. See, there is an example of a sponsor, HDFC Limited, who is a sponsor of HDFC Mutual Fund. Now we shall go to the second entity, it is trust. The mutual fund is structured as a trust under Indian Trust Act 1882. So mutual fund industry is a trust-based industry. So it has to be registered under Indian Trust Act 1882. The trust holds the investors' money and ensures it is managed in their best interest. So what is the role of a trust in mutual fund? Act as a legal entity holding the assets. Oversees the functions of the AMC and other entities. Protect investor interest. So these are the roles possessed by the trust in mutual fund. This is the second entity. Third one is the trustee. Trustee is the third entity of mutual fund. Trustees are appointed by the sponsors to oversee the operations of mutual funds and ensure compliance with regulations. So trustees are one of the type of entities appointed by the sponsors of the mutual funds in order to oversee the operations of mutual funds. They act as custodians of investors' funds. So they are the custody for the investors' funds. So what is the role of trustee means? Monitor AMC's activities. So what the fund manager does, how he is planning for making the investment, how the funds are managed, everything. Ensures adherence to SEBI guidelines and the trust deed. Whether the mutual fund company is operating under the guidelines which is given by the SEBI and as per the trust deed. Approves major decisions like launching new schemes, safeguarding investors' interest. So, an example is given for the trustee. Independent professional or entities like IL and FS Trust Company Limited is an example for the trustee. That is one of the entity of mutual fund. Now we are going to see the Asset Management Company, AMC. The AMC is the fourth entity. So the AMC is in responsible for managing the mutual funds investments. It employs fund managers who make investment decisions based on the fund's objectives. So what is the role of AMC? Designs and launches mutual fund schemes, manages portfolio of investment, ensures compliance with SEBI regulations, reports performance of trustees and investors. So AMC is, as I said earlier, AMC is the heart of the mutual fund. That is, here the funds invested by the investors are managed. So this is where the new schemes, here AMC will design and launch the new mutual fund schemes. It manages the portfolios of investment. It has to ensure whether it is working under the SEBI regulations, and it has to report the performance of the funds to the trustees and investors. Example, SBI Funds Management Private Limited. This is the AMC of SBI Mutual Fund. SBI Mutual Fund, the funds of the SBI Mutual Fund is managed by SEBI Funds Management Private Limited. Next, what we are going to see is the registrar and transfer agent. So registrar and transfer agent handles the administrative and operational aspects of mutual fund transactions, such as processing applications, redemptions, and maintaining investors' records. So here it's a back office of the mutual fund company, where all the details of the investors are maintained. Maintains investor data, that is KYC, unit holding details, everything. Processes transactions like purchase, redemption, and SIPs. Issues account statements and tax documentation. Manages dividend payouts. Every important aspects, that is the returns, everything will be processed by this RTA. So CAMS, Computer Age Management Services, and KFIN Technologies are the examples of RTA. So these are the sponsored, trust, trustees, AMC, then RTA, register and transfer agent. These 5 are the entities of mutual fund. Now we are going to the next part, known as fund houses in India. So fund houses, what does mean by fund houses? AMC is said to be a fund house. So fund houses or AMC are the entities that manages mutual funds in India. They offers a variety of schemes tailored to different investor needs. As of 2025, India has over 40 AMCs regulated by SEBI, managing assets worth trillions of rupees. Okay, so fund houses is the heart of the mutual fund, where the funds of the investors are managed, properly invested. Now we can see here the fund houses is one who designs and launches the schemes as per the investors' needs. So as the data says, as of 2025, in India, 40 AMCs are regulated by the SEBI, managing assets worth trillions of rupees. Now we can see some of the major fund houses in India. So SBI Mutual Fund is the largest fund house by asset under management, AUM, offering diverse schemes. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, known for innovative products and strong performance. HDFC Mutual Fund, popular for its equity and hybrid funds. Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund offers a variety of funds with a focus of investment education. Axis Mutual Fund, known for its growth-oriented equity funds. UTI, the oldest fund house in India with a legacy of trust. Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund, a global player with a strong presence in India. Murray in Asset Management Fund, known for its focus on emerging markets and growth funds. Nippon India Mutual Fund offers a mix of equity, debt and hybrid schemes. So these are the very popular fund houses which are operated in India. I think you could understand what are all the entities of mutual fund and what a small knowledge about the fund houses in India. Thank you so much for the patience listening.